Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to cut and paste files on MacBook Neo. So, one thing that many users of Mac may find confusing is that cutting in the normal way, in the way that we are used to on MacBook Neo and macOS in general, is impossible. Almost impossible, since we are used to Control+C, Control+C for copying, Control+X for cutting out, and Control+V for pasting. And it does work with text in the very same way, almost, except for you replace Control with Command. But it doesn't work this way with files. So if you want to cut a file out on your MacBook Neo, then you just select it, highlight it, or whatever, and press Command+C. And then, after pressing Command+C to basically copy the file, you choose whether you want to paste it or you want to replace its directory. So if you basically open another directory on your computer, let it be Downloads folder, and if you want to paste this file and basically paste a copy of it, you use Command+V. But if you want to paste it with replacing it from the original folder, you use Command+Option+V. So press this key shortcut, and this will paste the file into the new directory while removing it from the original one. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.